The world is changing faster than ever. Are you struggling to keep up with the AI revolution? The noise is everywhere, but a clear roadmap is missing. Random tutorials aren't enough to build a career. You need a structured path to turn AI into your ultimate professional superpower. Meet Team AI Learning, your premier partner in mastering artificial intelligence to unlock human potential and drive real innovation. Our adaptive learning suite simplifies the complex, guiding you from beginner to specialist with custom, easy-to-follow paths designed for your success. Master prompt engineering and workflow automation on our intuitive platform. No coding required, just practical, hands-on skills you can use today. Boost your productivity and secure your career. We focus on real-world ROI, helping you work smarter and lead your industry with confidence. Join a community led by experts dedicated to your growth. At Team AI Learning, we provide the tools you need to build the future. Start your transformation today. Visit ailearning.team and take command of your potential. The future starts now.